Today I'll show you how to add Swipe to Shutdown. This code on the screen is in the video description below for you to copy. First, right click your desktop, select New, then Shortcut. From here, you want to paste in the code. Next, rename the shortcut to whatever you want. As you can see, Slide to Shutdown appears. To get this away, you can just slide up. Next, I changed the icon to a basic shutdown icon. However, you can customize this icon to whatever you like. If you'd like to see how to create your own custom icon, check my previous videos and subscribe for more.